In this video, I'll show you how to get the USDC BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. Ensure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your Trust Wallet, right? You know there's the USDC BNB and there's the USDC BEP20. So we want to get the USDC BEP20. What you can do right now, click on the manage. Come on here, type in the USDC, right? To get the correct and exact thing, we need the USDC BEP20, right? So I'm gonna wait for it to load. So I think okay, on network. So okay, let me say USDC BEP20. USDC, right? I'm gonna see the full display options of all the whole USDC here in my Trust Wallet. Exactly. So the USDC BEP20 is this one. That is the USDC Binance Smart Chain. This I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna go back, right? You can see this is the USDC BEP20. So if you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you all in the very next one.